Welcome to a Server Jockey Dev update. In this update, I will be going through the version 0.7 features and improvements. So first up, if you scroll to the bottom of the web app, there's a translate option. So now you can pick a language, and using Google Translate, the pages will be automatically translated for you. So this is quite a simple solution for language support, but because it is automated translation, it won't be perfect. So as you go to the pages, there might be a slightly delay, and eventually it will show you the translation. And there's quite a few languages to choose from. And when you want to stop the translations, just use the little cross button, and the page will be refreshed and it will go back to the default English. So a significant improvement in version 0.7 has been to the activity reporting. So if I go to the test server, so previously the activity reporting only showed the last 30 days, which by default it still does now, but you can now select any range you want. Either a from date or to date, or there's a preset. So I'll do the end of last month and the last 60 days prior to the last month. Search again. Now we see the same results. The styling has been improved a little bit. On the graph showing the player hours and the sessions, I've also added the concurrent users. So within any of these given time frames, you'll be shown the total hours played by your players, the maximum concurrent players seen within that time frame, as well as the total number of sessions for players in that time frame. You can also drill down onto these as well. So if I just click on this, it will show me the 24 hours for that time frame, and all of the other stats will be updated. And the chart here will show increments of 1 hour. So it's from midnight to midnight the next day. And if you just click on any of these, it'll go back out to a 30-day time frame centered on that particular day. Then down the bottom, again, as before, just all the individual players and the total amount of hours they have played in that time frame. So scrolling further to the chat log. So previously, this just showed all of the chat between players for the last period of time, but now we can search. So again, as an example, I'll just go last month, 60 days, or actually let's try January the 1st. So try it earlier, December the 1st. So this is 90 days time frame. We clear out the seconds and minutes. This is a 91-day time frame. And as we can see, we're getting the chat between players. We can also just see the sessions between players. So this is a new feature. So this is all of the login and logout activity, or we can show both. So the chat and login and logout activity will be shown. We can also filter by name. Search for player, so we put in the name. So it's only showing the records to that player now. You can also use regular expressions here as well, but I won't go into that detail. So those are the new activity improvements. And finally, the browser extension has received some improvements. The extension allows you to manage projects onboard mods. So to start, I'll just go to the British Weapon Pack, which is a popular mod. And as you can see in the extension panel on the right, it has loaded the details up. I can then add this to the Project Zomboid instance that I have. And I'll add the Brita mod and save it. As you can see here, I've also got the printing gain time mod. The new feature improvement is the show selected items. So now you can actually list all of the workshop items and they'll appear here. So you can now click on the link and it will take you to the any of the mods that you've got installed. You can also delete them from here as well. So I can then delete the British Weapon Pack, which I just added, and hit save. So that's the new feature, which will allow you to manage mods a lot easier by giving you an overview list that you can jump around and delete any mods as you need. So that's it.